Exercise 5.2, question number 2. Find the equation of the ellipse in each of the cases given below. First subdivision, foci plus or minus 3, 0, eccentricity equal to 1 by 2. So, given foci plus or minus 3, 0. So, plot the points. X-axis, y-axis, 3, 0, minus 3, 0. Both lie on x-axis. You know the formula for foci, plus or minus AE, 0. So, this we compare with this. So, that is AE equal to 3. Already in question E kuduthirukanga. So, substituting for E, A into 1 by 2 equal to 3, cross multiplying A equal to 6. Therefore, A square equal to 36. Next, to find B square, this is a formula relating A, B and E. B square equal to A square into 1 minus E square. Substitute for A square, 36 into 1 minus E equal to 1 by 2. So, E square is 1 by 4. So, 36 into taking LCM 4 minus 1, 3. 3 by 4. 3 cancel with 36. 9 times 9 into 3, 27. Major axis is x-axis because the foci lie on x-axis. So, major axis is x-axis. Next, center. Center is midpoint of S and S dash. So, finding midpoint, we know the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So, midpoint is 3 minus 3 by 2, 0 plus 0 by 2. It is 0, 0. Center is 0, 0. So, now you know major axis, center and A square, B square value. Now you can write equation of ellipse. X square by A square plus Y square by B square equal to 1. Substituting for A square and B square, X square by 36 plus Y square by 27 equal to 1. So, whenever you want to find equation of ellipse, you must know these three things. First one, major axis. X-axis or Y-axis on first கண்டுபிடிங்க. அடுத்தது center கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அடுத்தது A square, B square ஓட value. இது மூணு தெரிஞ்சா மட்டும்தான் நம்ம equation of ellipse எழுத முடியும். Second subdivision, foci 0, plus or minus 4 and end points of major axis are 0, plus or minus 5. Foci 0, plus or minus 4, vertices 0, plus or minus A. This is 0, plus or minus AE, vertices 0, plus or minus A. So, A equal to 5. Therefore, A square equal to 25. And here, AE equal to 4. நம்ம A கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம் இல்லையா? A க்கு substitute பண்ணிக்கலாம். 5E equal to 4. E equal to 4 by 5. Next, to find B square, this is a relation. B square equal to A square into 1 minus E square. A square 25 into 1 minus 16 by 25. Taking LCM 25 into 9 by 25. 25, 25 cancel 9. So, B square equal to 9. Now, you know the value of A square, B square. So, next we have to find major axis and the center. Here, let us plot the given points. Vertices கொடுத்திருக்காங்க 0, 5, 0, minus 5. Foci 0, 4, 0, minus 4. So, now எல்லாமே நமக்கு y axisல இருக்கு இல்லையா? So, major axis is y axis. Next, center. Center is midpoint of S, S dash அல்லது midpoint of A, A dash. இப்படி வேணாலும் எடுத்து போட்டுக்கலாம். midpoint formula use பண்ணுங்க. So 0 plus 0 by 2, 4 minus 4 by 2, 0, 0. So center is 0, 0. Major axis is y axis. So equation of ellipse is x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. Substituting for a square and b square, x square by 9 plus y square by 25 equal to 1. Third subdivision, length of lattice rectum equal to 8, eccentricity equal to 3 by 5 and major axis is x-axis. Major axis is x-axis. நம்ம questionல கொடுத்துறாங்க. Since major axis is x-axis, center is 0, 0. அடுத்து என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்க, length of lattice rectum. You know the formula for length of lattice rectum, that is 2b square by a, that is equal to 8. 2 8 கூட cancel பண்ணுங்க. So b square by a equal to 4, cross multiplying b square equal to 4a. Now make use of this substitution. We know that b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. b square to 4a. 4a equal to a square 1 minus eccentricity e is 3 by 5. இப்போ e square is 9 by 25. ஒரு a ரெண்டு சைடும் cancel பண்ணிடலாம். Cancelling a on both the side. 4 equal to a into LCM எடுத்தீங்கன்னா 25 minus 9, 16 by 25. Again 4 you can cancel with 16. 4 cancel பண்ணிங்க அப்படின்னா now cross multiplying here 4a equal to 25 or a equal to 25 by 4. a equal to 25 by 4, squaring a square equal to 625 by 16. After finding a square, now we can find b square. b square equal to 4a. 4a is 25. So now you got the value of a square, b square, center as well as major axis. Now you can write equation of ellipse. Equation of ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. X square by 625 by 16 plus y square by 25 equal to 1. 16 will go to numerator. So 16x square by 625 plus y square by 25 equal to 1. Then fourth subdivision, 4. Length of lattice rectum is equal to 4. Distance between foci equal to 4 root 2 and major axis as y axis. Major axis நமக்கு questionலே கொடுத்துறாங்க. Major axis is y axis. So center is 0, 0. Next, length of lattice rectum 2b square by a equal to 4 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Cancel 2 with 4. So cancel பண்ணிங்கன்னா b square by a equal to 2 or cross multiplying we get b square equal to 2a. Next you are given distance between the foci. Foci is one is ae, 0, other one is minus ae, 0. So distance between the two foci is 2ae. So அதோட வேல்யூ நமக்கு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Distance between the foci 2ae equal to 4 root 2. 2 இந்த 4 கூட cancel பண்ணிங்கன்னா ae equal to 2 root 2. Again consider this relation. b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. இப்போ e நமக்கு தெரியாது. ஸோ அதனால என்ன பண்ணலாம், மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிக்கலாம். a square minus a square e square. இப்போ b square நமக்கு தெரியும். b square is 2a. So 2a equal to a square minus this is ae the whole square னு எழுதலாம். ae க்கு 2 root 2 substitute பண்ணீங்கன்னா 2 root 2 whole square. 2a equal to a square minus 2 root 2 square is 8. Bringing 2a right hand side, you get a square minus 2a minus 8 equal to 0. Quadratic equation. So on factorizing, you get a minus 4 into a plus 2 equal to 0. So this gives a equal to 4 comma minus 2. A being length of semi-major axis, it cannot be negative. So minus 2 is not possible. Therefore, a equal to 4. Minus 2 is not possible. A equal to 4. So a square equal to 16. Now we can find b square. B square equal to 2a. 2 into a 4. So 2 into 4, 8. A square 16. B square 8. Center 0, 0. Major axis is y axis. So equation of ellipse is x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. X square by 8 plus y square by 16 equal to 1.